said, I don't remember now, but I always hear.
I never thought you'd be by my side, and I wanted to spend the rest of my life with you. But I knew deep inside it'd never be true, 'cause you always compared me to them, even when I explicitly said I wasn't like the rest. You put me in a box with a bow on top, 'cause you wanted me to be something that I'm not. I'm not your last, no, no, I'm not your past. No, I'm not your last. No, I'm not your last. You told me not to worry, honey, but when I saw you in a hurry, money, I knew you weren't true, but I couldn't deal with all the consequences, repercussions that I knew would come with you, with you, with you. I'm not your last.
Guess I will see you in another life. I'll see you in another time. We'll see you. Guess this is goodbye, but I'm still trying to hide. 'Cause it still hurts, the pain in the chest, and I'll go away until I'm dead. My head telling you the rest. I hide in my cat 'cause you get along so well. See you in hell. And I thought it would be my last time. Yeah, take my life inside my eyes. Away from me, you didn't cry, not one time, no. You would rather see me die, or you would rather see me cry, or you would rather see me die.